This is the first toolbox I've ever had. It's a Clark HD Plus. My dad was nice enough to get me this one. Currently, since I have other toolboxes now, this one's become more of things I don't use a whole lot, but definitely still going to keep it around. So on the top here, we just have some stuff for batteries, miscellaneous fuses, battery terminal cleaner, terminals, etc. A couple things for tires, valve stem tool, lug nuts, wheel studs. There's some vacuum caps and vacuum line. Sorry if you can't see the best. This corner doesn't have a whole lot of light right now. There's some miscellaneous bulbs, incandescent and LED. There's all kinds of random bulbs in there. Fuel line disconnects. Got a bunch of random drill bits. Here we have Torx. Got long Torx. All kinds of sizes here. Here we have E-Torx. Triple squares. And there's some hex sockets in here. We got the long sockets in here. I barely fit in that drawer with the case. So then right here, this is where I keep 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets. These are mostly spares now, or like standard sockets, ones I don't use a whole lot. Backup sockets here. 1/4 inch drive ones. 3/8 drive. Half-inch drive. Some axle sockets. Okay, then the bottom, these are just like some extra metric wrenches here. It's a really old Tecton set. That was like one of the first ones they must have ever made. And these are just miscellaneous wrenches, all kinds of different brands that didn't necessarily fit into any set. It's kind of like some overflow here. Got standard wrenches, Craftsman, and again the Tecton, one of the really old school ones. Here we got some of the larger standard wrenches. That's all this drawer is. Everything like over 1 inch. Some of these I got at a rummage sale for a really good price, which is good because big wrenches can get expensive. Don't really use them a whole lot anyway. This is metric tap and die set. We got some spare taps and dies over here. This is for thread measuring, some extractors, and here we got standard tap and die set. Down here we just got a few things for building engines. Piston ring filer, valve lapping. Don't really do that a whole lot anymore, but cylinder hone, spark plug gapper, plastic gauge, assembly lubricant, valve spring compressor, and at the bottom we just got a bunch of hammers. Dead blow hammers, pretty much everything you can need here. Got the Wilton back there. That one's a beast. Yeah. All right, that's it for that one.